Yo ho, a pattern life for me. Hello, pirates. That's right. This is Perea Pirate coming in to teach you about patterns. What is a pattern, you ask? I'm here to help you out. A pattern is something that repeats itself. So show me what a pattern is. A pattern is something that repeats itself. Great job. All right, so we're going to be looking at different patterns today. We're going to be talking about patterns we can see in colors and shapes, but also patterns we can make in real life. So we're going to start off by colors, and we're going to talk about what this pattern is. First, tell me the colors you see. You can say them with me. We'll start at the bottom. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow. We call this an A-B pattern because it uses one of each time. So what is this pattern called? An A-B pattern. All right, what color would come next? Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow. Black. You got it. Great job. All right, here's another color pattern for you. We're going to start at the bottom. Ready? Red, red, yellow. Red, red, yellow. We call this an AAB pattern. All right, because we have two of one color, one of the other. So what color would come next? Red, red, yellow. Red, red, yellow. What's next? That's right, red. All right, but we can use color patterns just like that, and I used some Legos that I had, but we don't need to use just Legos. We can use other things we find in our house. So you can use other toys, and then I went into my pantry and look what I got. Num, 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 num. A pirate is hungry. Let's see what kind of pattern I made here. I have vanilla, vanilla, chocolate, chocolate, vanilla, vanilla. What would be next? Chocolate, chocolate. You're right. Now I call this one an AABB pattern, right? Getting hungry. Oh, no, I can't eat that. I'll get sick. So I can use that in my pantry. Other things we can use, maybe I make a pattern out of cereals I might have. Here's one cereal, mini wheats. It's delicious, stays with you all day, delicious and nutritious. And then I can take out a mini wheat and then take out my other cereal of Cheerios. And I can make a mini wheat Cheerio pattern. What do you think? Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun. You know what else would be fun? I think you should take a picture or make a little video and put it on a Flipgrid. If you don't know what Flipgrid is, you may want to check out, have your parents check out our website or check out their remind messages, all right? That way we can see everybody's pattern, right? That sounds great and sounds like a lot of fun. I know I likes to have fun, don't you, pirate? All right, let's just end with our yo-ho song. Ready? Yo ho, a pattern life for me. All right, let's get started with today's lessons. Okay, boys and girls, we're talking about shapes and patterns. So they use shapes and color patterns in this one. So we can see that the first one right here, okay, uses circle, square, circle, square. Do you remember what we call this pattern? An A-B pattern. So we need to color that pattern in the way that they have it colored there. So I need to start off with a blue. So I'm going to color my circles blue. Right, just do the best that I can. And my squares are red. So go ahead and do that. Oops, a little bit outside the line is always okay. All right, so after I color in the color pattern, then I'm going to circle which one of these comes next. Is it a blue circle or a red square? It's the blue circle. Very good. All right, let's look at the one below with the triangles and the squares. We have blue triangle, yellow square, yellow square, blue triangle, yellow square, yellow square. All right, so I need to color my triangles blue, and we call this one an ABB pattern, right? So blue triangle, I'm going to color all my triangles blue so that makes it easier and I don't forget. And then color my squares yellow. Not the best, but I'm just trying my best, right? Try your best and forget the rest. Do, 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 do. All right, then I'm going to say the pattern to myself. Okay, triangle, square, square. Triangle, square, square. Triangle, square, square. Which one of these shapes is the next in the pattern? Ding, 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 ding. If you said triangle, you are the winner, chicken dinner. Great job. Let's go on to the next page. All right, Wranglers, let's get started with page 650. So we learned that a pattern is something that repeats itself. And the first one is what we call an A-B pattern because it's only using two shapes and they use them one time each. So all you have to do here for number one is draw the pattern as you see it up there. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Or you can say A, B. Whoops. Rookie mistake. Look what I did. I did a B instead of a circle. See that? Mistakes again. Here we go. Circle. Maybe just stick with the shape pattern instead of saying the letters because that confused my brain. I have to make an AB pattern with the shapes, Mrs. Perea. All right, then it says circle the shape that comes next. And they've already done that for us. So we're just going to trace over that one. All right, look at number 2. So number 2 has an ABB pattern. So we're still using two shapes, but one of them is being repeated. So we can say it to ourselves, circle, triangle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle. What shape comes next? A circle. And guess what? You get to circle the circle. All right, number 3. Number 3 is an AAB pattern, okay? This is AAB because these two are the same. So we're going to do triangle, triangle, square. All right, you know, it's kind of hard to draw on the computer, but I'm just going to do the best that I can. Triangle, triangle, square. Triangle, whoops, I got out of the line. Triangle, square. What shape comes next? Ding, 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 winner, chicken dinner, you are right. It is the triangle. All right, let's turn to the next page. All right, second verse, same as the first. So it's much like what we did on the other page. We'll start continuing with our pattern, and this is an AAB pattern again. So we're just going to say the pattern as we draw it. Circle, circle, triangle. Circle, circle, triangle. Circle, circle, triangle. What shape comes next? You circled the right shape, not both of them. So which one comes next? All right, let's do number 5. Okay, number 5 is an AB B pattern, all right? So it's rectangle, square, and look at, they almost look similar. I have to do a better job with my rectangles. Rectangle, square. All right, so I got rectangle, square, rectangle, square. You draw in what comes next. You fill those in. And then tell me which one of these is next. Go ahead and do that now. All right, let's look at number 6. For number 6, I just want us to say the pattern out loud. And this is actually called an ABC pattern because there are 3 different shapes. What are the 3 different shapes? Can you tell me? What is this first one? It is a rectangle. Very good. What is the second one? It is a hexagon. Excellent. And the third shape is a square. So we can say the pattern to ourselves, and all we have to do is draw the pattern that comes next. So let's say it together. One moment, let me switch my color. Okay, ready? So we're going to say it. Rectangle, hexagon, rectangle. Oh, rookie mistake. That is not a rectangle, Mrs. Perea. That is a what? A square. So let me say it again. Rectangle, hexagon, square. There I go. Rectangle, hexagon, square. Rectangle, hexagon, square. Ooh, what shape would come next? You are right. Okay, let's go on to the next page. All right, boys and girls, since we did the first 2 pages together, we understand what a pattern is. These next 2 pages you're going to do on your own. I'm just going to read you the direction. So the first one is actually already done for you. You draw the pattern underneath and you circle which shape comes next. All right, so number 2 is an AAB pattern. Draw it, draw the pattern, and then tell me which one of these comes next. Go ahead and do that now. All right, let's look at number 3. Okay, number 3 has an ABB pattern. All right, so you're going to trace the pattern underneath, then circle what shape comes next. Go ahead and do that now. Great job, Wranglers. Let's do our last page for the day. So turn the page. All right, for this page, for numbers 4, 5, and 6, you're going to do exactly what you did on the previous pages, which is draw the pattern and tell me what shape comes next. Fantastic job! You're done with math for today. Have fun the rest of your day.